So as we think about the question of what is the difference that we want to see and be in the world, then we can wonder, is it possible? Well, indeed it is. And for that, we get down to the panoptic model. And I don't expect you to be able to read this, but I'll bring it close in. And there you can see that actually it comes to the values held by the leader, how they're conceived in the first place, and values that are then put into practice. How value is contributed. Do you take an ecological view within which society exists, and then from which you can derive profit by first doing no harm to either the ecology or the social dimensions within which we make our profit? And then the question of, how do we know? Because the measures that we put in place for ourselves matter. One goes to who we are, one goes to what we do, and the other goes to our cognitive frames for how we make sense of that and make some judgment around our impact. And this is the second of the panoptic models for our little cathedral of stained glass windows, and we'll dig into that a little more on another occasion. But for now, we know that the most important panoptic view, once one has some sense of our impact, is within ourselves. Really worth thinking about the value we conceive, the value we contribute, and the cognitive frames that we use to make sense of those two. Cheers.